and like a magnifying glass. Like that's it. Like my card wise, it's garbage. It's hot garbage. Okay. I figure we might as well put down the sunflower. Pumpkin. This isn't good. Let's just get rid of it. I'm not gonna put down mush either. I'm just gonna skip. +1 for the rest of the game. Okay. You know what? Understandable. Understandable. I don't want to just charge up his super meter with just like one card. It's not worth it. I'm gonna put... You're gonna destroy something. You're gonna do it. I know you are. Okay, you're just gonna conjure 2 superpowers. That kind of sucks, but... This is interesting, to say the least. This is interesting. Seedling? Seedling gonna be a pal? Gonna be a friend, Seedling? Put Seedling behind Flower? I already did. I don't know how far behind you are, but... Well, you know what? Putting Pumpkin down. I put a bet. I don't know why it didn't work, Epoch. I'll do it again next time. Shit. My bad. On my screen it says that I did it. So, yikes. What? Land? Freeze all plants here. Okay. Things went from being, you know what, manageable, serviceable, I can do this, to, shit. Wait, does it always? When played, okay. So we have a sunflower. Oh god. You know what? It kind of sucks that this. I mean, the deck I'm running currently is hot garbage. I know it's hot garbage. There's just not. Oh god, another one. There's just not much I can do. Again? Okay. There's not much I can do about having a hot garbage deck. Because I don't have enough, you know, I can't buy another card pack, so, Pumpkin first. I don't know how far behind you are, but you're, I don't know how much lag is there? Okay, we can do this. Yeah, mushrooms is what I'm thinking. He's gonna pull something. Conjure more 2 superpowers. Dude, this is... I'm gonna say a GG right now. I'm totally gone. Like, I don't... This deck that he's... This is scary. This is terrible. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. I forgot to switch it. Hold on. I was streaming the Garden Warfare category. Plants... versus zombies heroes. Come on. I forgot to switch it. Plants vs Zombies heroes. Done. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. There. Yeah, this is a GG. I'm gone. I'm destroyed. Shield. I'm gonna keep it. Yo, I'm gonna say it right now. We're probably screwed. I think chat's delayed a little. I mean, yeah, there's always gonna be stream lag. Or, you know. I still think this is a 100% GG. Where I don't know if we can pull this off. The deck currently... You know what? I'll put my deck on screen after this. I feel like I should just concede. I don't like conceding, but I just don't see how we win this. Yeah, no. No, that's the final nail in the coffin. Absolutely no way I could pull myself back from that. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll put my deck on screen.